Good afternoon, guys. So you're working from home and want to reduce the sound when doing a conference call. We're going to be able to do this with the new RTX audio program that was recently released. My neighbor is having some construction getting done and the sound is pretty loud. This is a perfect test for RTX audio, so let's get started. We're going to want to download the program directly from NVIDIA. I have the link in the description, but you can also just enter RTX audio on Google and it'll be the first link. Once it has been downloaded, we're going to make a few changes to make it work on our GTX 1060. We are going to need a text editor. My favorite is Atom, but you can use Notepad+ or any other code editor. Once we downloaded both, we're going to want to click on the Start button and type in Atom. Right click on the app to run it as an administrator. Once open, click on File and then Open. Head to your local disk, then click on Temp folder, then RTX Voice folder. Open the file name NVAFX, then open the file name rtxvoice.nvi. When the file opens, we're going to want to delete the piece of code that I have highlighted. This will enable the installation of the software even though we don't have an RTX card. Once you've deleted the code, you save changes, head it back to the temp folder, click NVI RTX folder, then at the bottom select Setup and complete the installation. Now RTX Voice has been installed. Now you can select when RTX is on from the menu at the bottom right of the taskbar. Please hit the like button if this was helpful, as it really helps this video. Stay safe. Thank you.